We're cracking 2023 Panini Absolute Football Hobby Mega 5-box eBay break. February 26th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got COHARR8253 with the Lions and the Buccaneers. We got MJMALEC with the Titans. TYLE-526 with the Giants, Jets, and the Eagles. JAROWILLIAM, JARO William-6 with the Ravens, Texans, Panthers, and the Bears. We got Pack Rip City with the Falcons and the Dolphins. We got Corey Kimball 66 with the Raiders, Rams, and Vikings. Texas Trading Post 85 with the Cowboys and the Chiefs. C_Cox_Go with the Cardinals and the Redskins. Wrestle 133 with the Seahawks. NOTAVOWO with the Steelers. We got JS Mead 1-1 with the Broncos. We got ZAMPHIR Master with the 49ers. Sammy 1262 with the Saints. R Breyer 88 with the Patriots. We got R Palazzo 1 with the Chargers. IID Cook 23II with the Colts. DW Drywall 445 with the Packers. John Dahman Jr. with the Bills. Rocky 115835 with the Browns. ROSHAH_76 with the Bengals. And that is your full lineup. Okay, guys, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boxes. This is 2023 Panini Absolute Football Hobby Megas. These are the hobby version. They are the exclusive teal parallel version as well. All right, guys. Box number 1. Let's get our plastic off here. All right, we've got 6 packs there. Empty box. Okay, guys, here we go. Box 1, pack number 1 coming at you. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got a CD Lamb, Alvin Kamara, Ryan Tannehill, David Montgomery. Got a couple rookies here. Khalil Ringo, Lucas Van Ness rookie, and a teal parallel, Geno Smith. That might be a hit there, so we'll save that one. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. Saquon, Geno, Drake London. And we've got a Darius Davis rookie, Jack Campbell rookie. Draft Diamonds insert, Jimmy Garoppolo. And a Drake London parallel. Pack number 3. Pack number 3, Mr. Jared Goff, Juju Smith-Schuster, Rashad White, Russell Wilson. We got Clayton Tune rookie, Byron Young rookie, and a Jared Goff parallel. Pack number 4. Oh, see that one there on the back. That's a nice one. Donta Foreman, Kyler Murray, Marquez Valdes-Scantling, Devonta Smith. We got a Kendra Miller rookie, a BJ Ojulari rookie, and how about this? Anthony Richardson rookie, and it is the teal parallel too. Nice hit for the Colts there. Very nice. Anthony Richardson, teal parallel rookie. Very nice hit. Congrats to the Colts. Very nice. All right, pack number 5 coming at you. Pack number 5, Tony Pollard, Josh Allen, Adam Thielen. We got a Jackson Smith-Jigba rookie for your Hawks. Very nice. We got a Broderick Jones rookie. Dak Prescott, stargazing insert, and a Juju Smith-Schuster parallel. All right, pack number 6. Here we go. Pack number 6. We've got, looks like a hit here in this one as well. Baker Mayfield, Jerry Jeudy, Nick Chubb. We've got a Julius Brent rookie, followed by a Jordan Addison rookie. And we have a Tools of the Trade Ryan Tannehill relic. 23 out of 399. Nice Ryan Tannehill blue relic there. Very nice hit for your Titans. Very, very nice. Tannehill there. And, oh, we got a Felix Uzomah rookie parallel there as well for the Chiefs. Nice Tannehill relic. Very nice hit. Box number 2 coming at you. Plastic coming off. Alright, 6 packs right there, and our empty box. Alright, guys, here we go. Box number 2, pack number 1. Mike Evans, Jalen Hurts, Jamar Chase, Christian McCaffrey, Jair Brown rookie. That was the McCaffrey there. And what do we got here? A Josh Downs rookie. Marquez Valdez Scantling parallel. That would be a hit there. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. Dak Prescott, Deontay Johnson, Raheem Mostert, Deontay Banks rookie, Hunter Lupke rookie. We got a Jalen Hurts Draft Diamonds insert, and a Devonta Smith parallel. Pack number 3. Odell Beckham Jr., Derrick Henry, Aaron Rodgers, Marquise Brown, Sean Clifford rookie, a Yaya Diaby rookie, and a Tony Pollard parallel. Pack number 4. Daniel Jones, Mr. Austin Eckler, Kenny Pickett, DK Metcalf. We got a Brian Breesy rookie. Ooh, C.J. Stroud rookie. Yeah. Nice. C.J. Stroud rookie. And a Tyreek Stevenson parallel rookie. Very nice. C.J. Stroud rookie in there. Very, very nice. Mr. C.J. Stroud pack number 5. Kirk Cousins, Robert Woods, Ramondre Stevenson. We got a Ivan Pace Jr. rookie. DeMarvion Overshown rookie. We have your Stargazing insert. DJ Moore. And a Josh Allen parallel. Nice Josh Allen teal parallel there. Very nice. All right, pack number 6. Here we go. Pack number 6. We got a hit here. Yes, we do. We've got a hit. Justin Herbert. Deshaun Watson. Deebo Samuel, Jartavius Martin rookie. Ooh, we got a nice Will Levis rookie there too. Very nice Will Levis rookie. Very nice. Your hit. How about a Jordan Addison rookie relic for the Vikings? Nice Jordan Addison rookie relic for your Vikings. Very, very nice. Very nice hit there. Very nice Jordan Addison rookie relic. And a Tank Bigsby rookie parallel. Very nice hit. All right, box number 3. Six packs, empty box. All right, guys, box number 3, pack number 1 coming at you. Here we go. J.K. Dobbins, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Josh Jacobs, Devontae Adams, and we have a Jonathan Mingo rookie. We have a Miles Murphy rookie and a Travis Kelce parallel. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. Trevor Lawrence, Aaron Jones, Derek Carr, Mr. Luke Schoonmaker rookie, Joey Porter Jr. rookie, Rock Out, Alexander Madison for the Vikings insert, and a Jonathan Taylor parallel. Pack number 3. Treylon Burks, Joe Mixon, DJ Moore. We got a Mr. Brock Purdy. And a Tyree Wilson rookie. Harris Johnson Jr. rookie. And a Tua parallel. Nice Tua parallel there. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. Keenan Allen, Jordan Love, CeeDee Lamb, Alvin Kamara, Puka. Very nice Puka rookie there. Nice Puka. Michael Wilson rookie as well. And a Christian Gonzalez rookie parallel. Nice Puka rookie in there. Very nice. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. We've got Ryan Tannehill, David Montgomery, Baker Mayfield. We've got a DJ Turner rookie. Jaden Reed rookie. Introductions. Parallel there. Hard hat mentality. And we have a Chris Olave parallel. Chris Olave parallel there as well. All right, guys, pack number 6. Here we go. Pack number 6. We do have a hit in here. Nice Zay Flowers there on the back. Dameon Pierce, Isaiah Hodgins, Miles Sanders. We got a Jake Haener rookie. We've got a Byron Young rookie. Very nice rookie premier triple relic Sean Clifford for the Packers. 350 out of 399. Nice triple relic there for the Packers. Sean Clifford, very nice. And a Zay Flowers rookie parallel. That's very nice. Very nice Zay Flowers rookie parallel there. Very, very nice hit there as well. Box number 4. Box number 4. Six packs, empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1. Box number 4. Devonta Smith, Tony Pollard, Josh Allen, Adam Thielen. We've got Drew Sanders, rookie. Rashee Rice, rookie. Very nice Rashee Rice, rookie for your Chiefs. And an Aaron Jones parallel. And that might be a hit. We'll save that one. Pack number 2. Mr. Patrick Mahomes, Brian Robinson Jr., Matthew Stafford, Devon Witherspoon, rookie, Jake Moody, rookie. Other introductions. NFL rookie premier, Mr. Jahmyr Gibbs. Very nice. And a Derek Carr parallel. Pack number 3. Pack number 3. We've got Kenneth Walker, Travis Kelce, Jonathan Taylor, Tua, Tank Bigsby, rookie. We have a Tyreek Stevenson, rookie, and a Treylon Burks parallel. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. Chris Olave, Sam Howell, Rashad Bateman, Jonathan Mingo rookie, a Miles Murphy rookie, Mr. David. Ooh. We'll set that one just right there for right now. And a Devon Achane there, rookie for the Dolphins. Parallel. That is a David Montgomery. Mr. David Montgomery. And that is out of 50. That, I believe, is a green. A green wave there. Very nice hit for your Lions. 2 out of 50. 2 out of 50 on the David Montgomery. Very nice. Very nice parallel there for your Lions. Very nice hit. Very nice David Montgomery there. Out of 50. Very, very nice hit. All right, pack number 5. Pack number 5 here. Box number 4. We've got Cam Akers, Jimmy Garoppolo, DeAndre Swift. We have a Jake Haener rookie. We have a Byron Young rookie. Another introductions. Other introductions there. Jake Haener, Michael Wilson, and Joe Mixon parallel. Nice Joe Mixon parallel. Pack number 6, guys. Pack number 6 here out of box number 4. We do have a hit here, guys. Mr. Justin Fields, Garrett Wilson, James Conner. We have your Felix Uzama rookie. Ooh, what do we got coming up here? Anthony Richardson rookie. Nice Anthony Richardson rookie. That's really nice. And we got a CJ Stroud here. CJ Stroud. We also have another rookie here, Darnell Washington for the Steelers, parallel rookie. We have a CJ Stroud triple relic rookie premiere for the Texans, 337 out of 399. Congrats to the Texans. Yeah, really nice hit there. Very nice CJ Stroud triple relic rookie. Very nice hit. Congrats to the Texans. Gorgeous CJ Stroud triple relic rookie. Really nice. All right, box number 5, guys. Box number 5. Six packs. Empty box. Here we go. Pack number 1. Box 5. Good luck, everybody. We have Amari Cooper, James Cook, Brandon Cooks, Travis Etienne Jr. We have a Luke Schoonmaker rookie, Joey Porter Jr. rookie, and a DJ Moore parallel. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. Jamar Chase, Christian McCaffrey, Justin Herbert, Puka rookie, another nice Puka rookie. Michael Wilson rookie. And we have a Rockout, Chad Johnson Rockout, and a Brock Purdy parallel. Very nice Brock Purdy parallel. Pack number 3. Pack number 3. Deshaun Watson, Deebo Samuel, Dak Prescott, Deontay Johnson. We have a DJ Turner rookie, Jaden Reed rookie, and a Keenan Allen parallel. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. We've got Raheem Mostert, Odell Beckham Jr., Derrick Henry, Aaron Rodgers, We've got a Dylan Horton rookie, Mr. Stetson Bennett rookie, and a Michael Meyer parallel rookie. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. Marquise Brown, Daniel Jones, Mr. Austin Eckler. We got a Garrett Williams. Garrett Williams rookie. Mr. Marvin Mims rookie. Ooh, nice Anthony Richardson by Storm. Rookie insert. Very nice. Anthony Richardson by Storm insert rookie. Very nice hit there. And a Jordan Love parallel. All right, guys. Pack number 6. Here we go. We do have a hit here, guys. Mac Jones, Mike Evans, Jalen Hurts. We got a Tyree Wilson rookie. Paris Johnson Jr. rookie. What do we got here? Paris Johnson Jr. rookie there. And that's the kid reporter card there. The hit here is a championship fabric relic Eli Manning for the Giants. Nice Eli Manning relic for your Giants. Very nice. Championship fabric. Very nice hit for the Giants. And we had your Tuipulotu rookie parallel. Let's run back through our hits, guys. Here we had the Eli Manning championship fabric relic for your Giants. Very nice here for the Giants. Nice Eli Manning relic. We had for the Texans, how about the C.J. Stroud? Yeah. Triple relic rookie. Premier number 337 out of 399. Very nice hit for the Texans. Congrats to the Texans. Beautiful C.J. Stroud. Triple relic rookie Sean Clifford for the Packers. 350 out of 399. Very nice hit for the Packers there as well. Mr. Jordan Addison, rookie relic for the Vikings. Very nice Jordan Addison. Mr. Ryan Tannehill, relic tools of the trade. 23 out of 399. Very nice hit for the Titans. We also had the David Montgomery green wave 2 out of 50. 2 out of 50. Very nice parallel there for the Lions out of 50 there. Very, very nice hit there. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan 1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. We got a great break schedule all week long as well. We also have breaks filling on our website. Teams and spots are selling quickly. Don't miss out on those. Thank you so much again for all your support. Please be smart. Be safe out there.